Hello and welcome to Hube's Hot Laps. I'm Martin Hubes and today we're going to be retaking on the 1000 metre multi-level indoor karting circuit at TeamSport Birmingham, located in Albury in the West Midlands. Please remember, if you are new to the channel, remember to hit like and subscribe for all your future karting content. Whether it be Hube's Reviews, where I review different karting complexes around the UK, whether it be Hube's Hot Laps, where I try and take on different circuits, average lap time, or just general karting content, please remember to give me a like and subscribe. Remember to click the bell for all your notifications. So without any further ado, let's see how I got on at TeamSport Albury. Hello viewers and welcome to Hube's Hot Laps. Here we are at TeamSport Birmingham, located in Albury in the West Midlands. My best lap time for this circuit up until this point was a 47.798, and during the session I put in 4 hot laps back to back to back to back. This is the first of those 4 laps and I'll talk us through it. We've got a medium right hander into a right left double hairpin. We're then going to head on down the ramp where we sweep right. I like to take an inside line, then through a little chicane section over the start finish line. So now my personal best is 47.712. Again through the sweep left, and you're flat out during this section. It's a double medium left hander. We're still flat out. We kiss the right, kiss the apex, kiss the second apex. We get wide for the hairpin up the ramp. Then we take a hairpin right, keep it wide as we go medium right, end up wide again for this double hairpin. Down the ramp, sweep right, and then we're into the start finish straight again, and across the line 47.514 seconds. I've taken off 0.2 of a second. Here we go into hot lap 3, flat out. Now notice something while going through this video is I start letting off the accelerator about now, so I'm not so heavy on the brake going into that hairpin section. Just a little tip, I guess, means you haven't got to brake so hard when you get to the hairpin. My favourite part of the track is that double hairpin. It's so challenging to get it right that it catches many of us out so very often. Across the line, 47.425 seconds. One more lap to go. This is the final lap. Flat out. Now on the approach to the ramp this time, you'll notice that I actually lay off the accelerator a lot later, which I believe is what helps me shave off a few hundredths of a second there. Around the medium, double hairpin, left down the ramp. I know many people take a wider line on that sweep, but for some reason, because of being a heavier guy, I seem to get better traction on the inside. And there it is, 47.39 seconds. It's a new personal best for me, and I've took off the best part of 0.4 of a second. Thank you again for watching Hube's Hot Laps. I've been Martin Hubes, and please remember to like and subscribe for future karting content. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you're new to the channel, please remember to hit like and subscribe for all your future karting content. Remember to click the green helmet that's down here. Remember to push the bell for all your notifications. Whether it be Hube's Reviews, where I review different karting tracks and venues across the UK, whether it be Hube's Hot Laps, where I try and take on circuits and beat their average lap time, or if it's just general karting content, please remember to hit like and subscribe.